Hi, I'm Bruce McDonald. I'm Superintendent for Park Board here at Sunset Nursery, where we are producing vegetable seedlings for the Downtown Eastside Food Hamper program, where we are preparing, or the Park Board is preparing, over 2,000 meals per day. We're standing in greenhouse number 6, where we are growing produce and vegetables for Langara Golf Course, Fraserview Golf Course, McLeary Golf Course, and VanDusen Gardens, where we're going to be utilizing the vegetables we're growing for the Downtown Eastside Food Hamper program. Currently, we've got a lot of stuff on the go. We've got a multitude of pretty much every different type of vegetable known. We're growing anything from cucumbers and squash to tomatoes, lettuce, kale, beans, peas. Not so much stuff that we can direct seed into the garden, but anything that needs a bit of a head start here at a nursery setting. And we've got half a greenhouse full of stuff right now, which is offsetting what we normally would have putting out in summer bedding and flowers. And we've taken up space to actually grow vegetables for this program. We're looking at things that are growing quickly. We want to get stuff that's up and available soon. So that's lettuce, radishes, other crops like that. Some of the herbs, basil, we're growing things like that. Other crops take a little bit more time, like tomatoes and squash and cucumbers. But once they start producing, they produce quite heavily. And we're also producing things like potatoes and other things and squash that store in the winter. So we're kind of extending our season throughout the summer. So we want stuff to be ready right away and other things that'll be ready later in the summer. Now's a good time to get out there and start planting your garden. You can direct seed a lot of stuff, carrots, beets, peas, lettuce, all those crops are good to go right now. Certain things like cucumbers and tomatoes and squash, they prefer a little bit more heat. You may want to delay planting until, say, later in May or early June, but now's a good time to get out there and buy seed. And you can also buy actually plants that are already started, kind of like we've got here in the greenhouse, which gives you a bit of a head start too. It's a little more expensive, but it's a good way to get a kickstart on your garden.